WellDuct Professional Air Duct Cleaning Rumson. Since 2011, WellDuct Professional Air Duct Cleaning Rumson has been working hard to provide the best customer service to the residents of New Jersey regarding all types of residential and commercial HVAC system cleaning. By 2017, we have grown to a member of National Air Duct Cleaning Association. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning restoration is our specialty, and we always offer timely assistance in a friendly and courteous manner. Our goal is to educate our customers. Friendly service and professional technicians lead our company to high-level customer satisfaction. The ductwork in your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems can easily attract a whole variety of nasty contaminants that can seriously jeopardize the health and well-being of your family and loved ones. From the normal accumulation of dust particles and pet dander that can lead to allergies to the potential from growth of mold, mildew, and other fungi that can lead to all sort of other negative health issues, your ductwork can quickly become a breeding ground for all sorts of harmful substances that may be toxic, noxious, or even deadly. Call us at 732-704-6810. For more information, please visit our website, www.wellduct.com, or contact us through phone 732-704-6810. You can visit our office, 8 Bingham Hill Cir, Rumson, New Jersey 07760. WellDuct Professional Air Duct Cleaning Rumson.